Good trip?
That was so much fun.
Well, we just left McCALL. It was great to see my uncle and have like a nice safe place to stay for a night or two. And we're headed now towards Salt Lake City.
We've been pretty good with food, eating mainly PB&Js, or we've gotten treated to a couple meals, which has been really nice along the way. But the one thing that we kind of splurge on sometimes are FLeWs. They're so good. Waterfall in the middle of absolutely nowhere.
I know, it's funny. The gorge is there, and then everything else is just nothing.
Crazy. And it's 106 degrees outside.
Yeah, and the AC doesn't work.
We made it to Salt Lake City, and now we're going to check out the home of the Mormon Church. In here, especially the gardens.
The buildings are just beautiful, especially the temple is just unbelievable.
Once you move your pretty body.